Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in this pre-built Shopify dropshipping store, link in the description. This is a new theme I just made, and yes, we will sync the vendor for you, so link in the description. Starting out on Shopify, I did go to the online store and then you click edit theme. This is the Horizon theme, but I did pretty much like make these banners and logos, everything in Canva. I'm going to go ahead and upload a logo straight from my desktop laptop that I did make in Canva. It looks pretty small, but I did blow it up, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to start with the header, and I usually just put like free shipping or shop now. So this is a pre-built hair store. Yes, it is dropshipping. I am a dropshipping website designer. So if you need a website, link in the description. But yes, we're going to start with the header and then work our way down to the first banner. And usually with the banners, I do like to hide the text. I don't need that because I make my own text in Canva. And once this banner is uploaded, I'm going to upload like the second banner and the collection cover photos. And I usually put the banner on full screen, and then I will edit that and cover or turn off the overlay. And after that first banner is added, I'm going to go ahead and hide the buttons and more text. And I'm going to add the second banner as well. And if y'all hear my child in the back, mom life, okay? Like, your girl be in and out. But yeah, I'm always going to design a new website. And the footer, I'm going to go ahead and change the color to black. And then after the footer, I'm going to go ahead and scroll up and finish editing this website. And then right here, I will go to add section, and then I'm going to add a carousel of a collection list. So I'm going to go ahead and add that customization, and then go back and like Shopify and add that on. And then I am going to change the text right here, but this video is more of like showing you guys how I pretty much upload my own templates to Shopify for my new pre-built websites. Like I said, I do make Shopify dropshipping hair stores. So if you need a hair store and you want to start your own business without holding any inventory, link in the description. And I do have other themes, or I do have like different Shopify hair website themes, but this is like my newest one. Now we're going to add the collection cover photos from Shopify homepage, click products and then collections. And then from there, I would just like upload the cover photo straight from my laptop, and then I would name it and click save. Now I'm going to add the collection cover photos. I will go back to Shopify, the homepage online store, and click edit theme. And then I will click collection list carousel. And then from there, you can just like click the square, and then you can click select and choose what cover photos that you want to add. And from this point, I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple of stock photos or add products, as I would say. So this is not how I sync a dropshipping vendor. I do have other videos on that, like as far as tutorials. This is just me just adding the photo and a price just to give my demo website more of a, a full look. And I am going to change the text for the headers. I'm just going to change that over. And then once that's done, the website is complete. And if you are interested in this new pre-built Shopify hair store, link in the description for more information. Leave your comments, questions, concerns down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.